This video is going to be on this Bauer drill, and I thought I'd make a video on it now that I've had it for a while to show you how it is holding up. In this model here, the item number for it is 64754, and I do use it quite a bit, and it is holding up great. I have not had any issues with it. As you can see, it still works fine. It is a 2-speed drill, and it is not the hammer drill. It is just a standard. It does have the clutch, the drill mode, and then your different clutch settings, and all that still works great. And the chuck is all metal. As you can see, this is not plastic here, and the chuck still works like it's supposed to. Doesn't give me any issues. And then it does have a light, and the light still works like it's supposed to. But this drill currently is $54.99 at Harbor Freight, and that is the drill with one and a half hour battery and a charger. And for $54.99, I really don't see how you could beat that, because that's a lot cheaper than DeWalt and Milwaukee. And I've actually gone through a couple DeWalt drills in the time that I've had this drill. The only reason I keep buying DeWalt is because I use their battery platform for my impacts and stuff. But I would recommend, if you do buy one of these, to buy a 5 amp hour battery along with it. You get a lot more life out of the 5 amp hour battery, and is really not that much bigger than the 1.5 amp hour. It's about twice the height, but as far as the width, the actual footprint of it is very similar. And the 5 amp hour battery on Harbor Freight's website, it is currently $67.99. But that's going to be all for this video. If you have any questions about this, just put it down in the comment section and I'll answer them as soon as possible. Thank you for watching. Please comment, like, and subscribe.